Here we're going to enter a custom assembly. We just click the button Custom Assembly. We click New. And you can just simply enter things in here. So I've just entered some extra labor for some concrete, or you can open up the database by selecting Add Multiple Items. You just choose something that you want to get into the estimate. We'll choose EMT. The beauty of this is if you got a half inch EMT, all your fittings and straps and everything are right under it. Makes it very easy to create assemblies without having to add each item one at a time. You can do this as much as you need. Go to Wire. Just bring in whatever conductor sizes you need. If you build something special, you can always hit Save to Master File, and then the next time you need it, you can load custom assembly. So right now we're just going to hit Save, Assembly Details, and we've entered those custom items. I will go over this. If you're doing like hotel rooms and you create any assembly, this number is set at 1. If you had 64 rooms, you could change that 1 to 64, and then it would multiply your room that you built 64 times. Maybe that's a tidbit of help.